Hi, my name is Carsten Beinicke and I'm the product manager of PlantTools. This video shows the various features of our product PlantLink. You will see highlights from real customer projects we did over the last couple of years. The initial idea of PlantLink was bringing in external data to the P&ID and Plant3D objects. Here we have a simple table showing an equipment catalog. Based on the model number, we want to bring in 4 additional values to our P&ID equipment. This example is using a SQLite database, but other databases like Microsoft Access or SQL Server can be used as well. In the property model number, you just type in a tilde and the data viewer opens. You can use find, sort and filters to reduce the selection. Just select the desired dataset and click on Import Values. If you look at the properties again, you'll see the new values coming from the external database. This, of course, works for 3D objects as well. PlantLink can control AutoCAD properties as well. Let's change the service of a line by using the Assign Tag dialog. You see a different color. If you look at the layer name, you see that the line number is used in the layer name. In Data Manager, we see that a long description of the service was added as well. Changing the service in Data Manager directly works also. Color and text are updated. If we look at the underlying table, we see that the layer name is actually calculated using a P&ID property as well as the prefix line. We also see the color number for the service as well as the long description. Since the data of your P&ID and 3D drawings are stored in a database as well, PlantLink can use them too. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities and allows data flow between objects not possible with standard acquisition rules of P&ID. Let's change the tag of the tank. After updating the links, you see that the new value is carried over to the connected symbols. This, of course, not only saves time, but prevents errors and therefore saves money. To make this happen, PlantLink can use views defined in the database. These views can be created by you to be as flexible and powerful as you like. Another example are loops. If you change the tag of the control valve, PlantLink can push the loop number to the connected instrument symbols. It doesn't matter how many symbols are connected. The most complex link we did for a customer is retrieving tag and size of lines or symbols to which an instrument is connected to. In this P&ID, we have 4 different types of connections. An instrument bubble connected to an equipment nozzle, then a connection to a blind flange, then to a line nozzle, and finally connected directly to a pipeline. If we look into the properties of the first instrument, you see the nozzle size and the tank plus nozzle tag. Remember that we previously edited the tank tag, and we see it here in the instrument. If we look at the other 3 examples, we see that the properties are filled out as well. If we change, for example, the size of the line on our second instrument and let PlantLink update the info for the instrument, we see the data in the symbol. These 3 different examples should just give you an idea about the possibilities. They may not fit to your exact needs, but you probably start wondering, well, where can I use this? A related topic is the exchange of data between off-page connectors. If you look at this outgoing connector, you see 2 numbers. The upper number is the connector number of this connector. If we open the connected P&ID, we see the lower number, which is the connector number of this particular off-page connector. Let's change the connector number of this OPC and see what happens. Switching back to the first P&ID, we see that the number has been updated. But PlantLink isn't working for P&ID only. You can also link your P&ID with your 3D. Since taking over the line and inline data is possible by using the P&ID line list, I show an example for equipment. If we edit the tag of the tank, you will see that the data we saw earlier in P&ID is now available in 3D as well. I hope these various examples give you an idea about the wide range of possibilities of PlantLink. PlantLink allows you to bring external data into your P&ID and Plant 3D drawings, as well as improve data flow in and between your drawings. If you have questions about the product, do not hesitate to contact us. Thanks for your attention.